there are steps we need to be taking to stop the spread of the novel coronavirus. Targeted hygiene practices can go a long way to keeping you safe from viruses, whether you're at home, when you have to go out, or at work. Proper hand washing and disinfecting are essential in preventing the spread of respiratory illnesses. At home, clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Remove dirt and grime before you disinfect. And make sure you let the surface air dry as recommended on the product label. This lets the germ or virus kill take effect. Always make sure you use the product as directed and store it out of the reach of children. If you're on the go, wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap isn't available, use hand sanitizers that contain at least 60% alcohol. Keep disinfecting wipes handy to clean any surfaces you might touch. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Try to avoid close contact with people who are sick. At work, cough and sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Avoid sharing food and routinely clean communal spaces. If you feel sick, stay home and seek medical attention. For more cleaning tips and best practices for protecting your health and well-being, visit the American Cleaning Institute's website.